I never thought I would love this soup. Do you want to know how it's made? Watch the video. Let's start by slicing an onion. Let's cut the carrots into cubes. Let's continue by cutting the potatoes into cubes as well. And the celery, cut into small pieces. And now it's time for the Tuscan kale. The leaves have already been washed. Now let's remove the stem, the tougher, harder part. So we only take the leaves, right? And we set them aside. Here you go. In a large saucepan, we add some extra virgin olive oil. Let's add onion, carrot, and celery. And let it saute gently. After 2 or 3 minutes of browning, let's add the potatoes.
Enjoy your meal.
And we do the same thing with the potatoes. So we let them brown and soften a bit. After 5 minutes of cooking, I add a bit of vegetable broth. At this point, we add the Tuscan kale. And if you have a Parmesan or Grana cheese rind available, add it because this will make the soup much more delicious and tasty. Obviously, always scrape the outer surface first, okay? Let's cover it and let's let the Tuscan kale wilt for about 2 or 3 minutes, okay? The cabbage has wilted slightly. At this point, I adjust the seasoning with salt and a bit of pepper. But if you like, you can also add some chili pepper. Very good. I'll cover it again and continue cooking. If the broth dries up, add a little more, like in this case, you see. After 10 minutes of cooking, we add the beans. These are already cooked beans, cannellini beans. But you can use any type of beans, whatever you have available. Obviously, with a bit of their cooking water. Let's mix well, gently, please. And let's finish cooking it. And after another 20 minutes of cooking, our soup is ready and we can plate it up. And now, my friend, all that's left is to taste it.
Oh my, how delicious.
Mmm. Mmm. Spectacular. Mmm. Oh, you have to try it because you can't imagine how delicious this soup is. My grandma was right. Maybe I was little and I don't remember, but it's truly amazing. So, dear friends, with that said, I say goodbye and I'll see you next time for another recipe. And as I always say, I send you a hug, goodbye, and thank you all from Zia Franca. And enjoy your soup, everyone. Thank you.